Asteroid 2024 YR4, a real-life cosmic threat. Hello. Today, we're delving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but is very much a real concern: Asteroid 2024 YR4. This asteroid has been making headlines recently due to its potential to impact Earth. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about 2024 YR4, the possible consequences of an impact, and how scientists and space agencies worldwide are preparing for this scenario. What is Asteroid 2024 YR4? Asteroid 2024 YR4 was discovered in December 2024 by the ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, Observatory in Chile. It's estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters in diameter, making it comparable in size to a skyscraper. Its orbit places it in the category of near-Earth objects, meaning it passes relatively close to our planet. What are the chances of it colliding with Earth, and how much time is left until that happens? Recent observations have increased the estimated probability of 2024 YR4 impacting Earth on December 22, 2032, to approximately 2.3%. This places it at level 3 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, indicating a moderate risk. However, experts caution that these probabilities can fluctuate as more data is gathered, and the actual risk remains low. Potential consequences of an impact. If 2024 YR4 were to collide with Earth, the consequences could be severe. An asteroid of this size could release energy equivalent to approximately 7.7 megatons of TNT, which is more than 500 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. This could result in significant regional damage, including earthquakes and tsunamis, depending on the impact location. Global response and preparedness. In response to the increased risk, international space agencies, including NASA and the European Space Agency (ESA), have intensified monitoring efforts. The United Nations has activated the International Asteroid Warning Network (IAWN) and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group (SMPAG) to coordinate global responses. These organizations are evaluating potential mitigation strategies, such as spacecraft interventions or, as a last resort, nuclear deflection methods. Until April 2025, scientists will continue gathering information about the asteroid. After that, it will no longer be visible from Earth, and we will have to wait until 2028 to see it again. At that point, we will have more certainty about the probability of an impact with the planet and which areas could be affected by such an impact. While the probability of 2024 YR4 impacting Earth remains low, the increased risk has prompted a global response to monitor and prepare for potential scenarios. Ongoing research and international collaboration are crucial in developing effective strategies to protect our planet from future asteroid threats. Currently, several projects are exploring ways to deflect potentially dangerous asteroids, ranging from direct interventions to the use of nuclear explosives. Despite these advancements, the threat serves as a reminder of Earth's vulnerability, highlighting the importance of continued investment in space science and global cooperation to ensure the safety of humanity. The universe is infinite and full of things we can't even imagine. Maybe, at some point, one of these objects will end up impacting our planet. What do you think? Do you believe humanity will be able to prevent asteroids and other objects from hitting us? Do we really have the technology for that, or are we simply playing God? We'd be interested in hearing our perspectives. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments if you'd like. If you enjoyed this content, we encourage you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future videos. We greatly appreciate your support.